Hello everyone, welcome to Telangana Exam Center. Today we'll be talking about a very important event which is happening across the globe, that is what Telangana is doing at Davos Summit 2026. If you look at the interview of Minister Sridhar Babu, IT Minister of our state, Sridhar Babu Garu, and he has planned, he has spoken to the journalist over there and said that we have got a good amount of investment with regard to the global summit and Telangana Rising 2047. He also talked about many other things. We can just have a look at it. Okay, right? Chalo. So you can see very clearly what he's talking about. He's saying that Telangana is often, the journalist is saying that is planning to build the IT city. So the Sridhar Babu is saying that yes, we are going to have AI city we are going to build. And we are also keeping in mind, to have you can see that next generation life sciences policy also we are going to launch from 2026 to 2030. So at Davos meeting, the CM and also you can say that the IT minister is doing a lot of things with regard to investment to bring investment in our state. That's all about it. Okay, let us dwell into the detail with regard to what is happening. Okay, with regard to Telangana in Davos Summit 2026. It is good to see. Let us dwell into the details. Our Telangana CM, Mr. Revanth Reddy, has been proposing to the World Economic Forum, sir, you are conducting the Davos meeting today. Okay, that is in January, but there is no follow up. Again, we are meeting in 2027 January only. So why is it so that why don't you have a follow up forum also? Once whatever is happening in the Davos today, okay, so after 6 months or 7 months, what all the investments that has been materialized, how all the memorandum of understanding or agreements that has been made in this particular summit has been realized or not. So why not you have a what I say is that follow up session of World Economic Forum, okay, which is going to be held in Davos. Okay, in Davos it is being held now. So tomorrow, after 6 months, you can have it in Delhi, you can have it in Telangana, but Telangana CM Revanth Reddy is mulling for what? Mulling for a follow-up session with regard to the same summit. So I'm very happy that we are able to recommend a lot of people in this particular what I say is that meeting, and we are trying to show to the world, that we are trying to show to the economic forum that yes, we are very keen with regard to what we want to do, and we are very keen with regard to what fulfilling our targets. Right, you can see here what the CM is also saying with regard to this. Okay, Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy sir, who is attending the World Economic Forum annual meeting, which is being held in Davos for the third time in a row. So every other year he is going since the time he has become the CM, has proposed to have a follow-up session. That is what I have told you. He is saying in July, like after 6 months. The CM proposal made Tuesday during the Join the Rise event received unanimous support from the global business leader and policymakers. So good to see that whatever Revanth Reddy is saying, the world leaders are responding in a very positive manner. And the event which was themed on Join the Rise means we are actually rising, Telangana rising, how we are having by 2047. So CM Revanth Reddy is also proposing the other economic leaders, sir, join our rise. So we want to actually rise. We want to become a Viksit Telangana or Golden Telangana or Bangaru Telangana or Telangana rising by 2047. To rise to this particular 2047 and to have a 3 trillion economy, your support is very important. So when we are rising, please join us. Join us with investment, join us with technology, join us with skills, join us with what I say is that investment, etc., so and so forth. So CM Revanth Reddy pulling this and trying to make sure that for global leaders are also becoming a part of Telangana Rising. It's a very, very commendable job he is doing. Okay, and good to see that we are actually having aggressively promoting the Hyderabad as an investment hub. That is anyhow we do, and especially for the global capability center. See, global capability centers are nothing but you are having Apple, you are having Microsoft, no, you are having Amazon. So the big giants are there, no, which set up there one of the center in Telangana. Now from this center, it will actually help many other countries. That kind of centers are called as global capability center, basically nothing but it can able to handle operations for the many of the countries across the globe. Okay, that is what is called as global capability center. For that purpose, you need to give a big, very big, what I say is that area to them. That's what we have done with regard to the Google. You know that whatever the Google place that we have given, I have shown you in one of the shorts, whatever the Google place that we have given, it is so big that it looks like a complete town. Means a Google office will look like a complete town. So how beautiful it will be in future. We'll also take the tickets and go. Okay, come with me. So Telangana Chief Minister has always been promoting since the time I have seen him getting in the Chief Ministership. From then onwards, he has been continuously afterwards seeking investment, and he has done a commendable job with regard to global summit that we have had in Telangana. 1.6 lakh crore has been investments were made. Okay, and we are also promoting Telangana as a global capability center. Okay, then we also have special secretary of metropolitan area and urban development. Okay, he also told that the logic behind proposal is high attendance and engagement of Indian delegation every year in Switzerland. Okay, so we have to go every year and meet. That is very important, so that if we meet our investors, it will be better off or not. Yes, India has become a major draw at Davos with participation of CMs, corporate tycoons, CII, Confederation of Indian Industry. When I was in MBA, I have attended this. These are very beautiful, but at that time I did not understand what they are doing. Many memorandum of understanding related to investment in India are inked. Business deals happened. Okay, business plans were laid out, intentions announced. So why not take all this forward in India itself? And that is what the we have to, when we are trying to have a meeting and when you are negotiating, so what we are actually going forward, let us have a follow-up meeting. That is what he has proposed. And Mr. CM Revant Reddy has also said that the city is very central to the country. Obviously, it is located center of the India in the at this point of time, and large scale, very big city it is. World class convention infrastructures are there, like HICC conventions are there, high techs are there. BioAsia summits happen. Other international events are also being held last year. Miss World 2025 pageant happened. So we are a country, we are a state which is having what all kinds of infrastructure which can actually hold lot of international repute in events also. So we are having good amount of, what I say is that, policy in place where many of the international events and programs are being conducted in our state. Okay, fine. Chief Minister, including Chandrababu Naidu of Andhra Pradesh, were also there. Several union ministers were also there. Corporate leaders were also there, and regularly they are attending the WEF Davos meeting. Okay, world's largest elite, which is having what it is a place where politicians and the businessmen are meeting. So obviously a lot of, again, access will be there for sure. So you can see that claiming a positive responses to their Hyderabad follow-up meet proposal. Okay, the chief secretary of our MUDA has said that they are discussing the idea with WEF leadership, so that they should have a follow-up session, not just once in a year, but what we have done, or whatever the decision that has been taken in this year, January, what actually have been realized or reflected truly, we can find out after the 6 months. That is what he has said. Revant also has said that Telangana Rising Global Summit, which government held in Telangana Rising Global Summit, which government held in December at the proposed future city near Hyderabad. Very, very far. They said that it is very near, but I tried to go, but it is very, very, very Metchala something is there. Mucherla it is there. Oh my god, it was like 1 hour 38 minutes. It is showing from Gachibowli. So, sir, it is not near to Hyderabad, sir. It's very far to Hyderabad. So, he said that in this particular Bharat Future City, nearly about 5.75 lakh crore rupees of investment, means 1 crore count for 5 lakh times. That is called as 5 lakh crore. Okay, buyout by success, the success, it was a very good success. Revant Reddy, he was very happy and joyful with regard to how this Telangana Rising Global Summit has turned out. The CM has also said that his administration has decided to talk to WEF for the follow-up session. Normally, we come to Davos and sign MOUs, but this year we want something different. We will not sign MOUs. We'll also come and we'll see the follow-up sessions also. Okay, Telangana Rising Global Summit, whatever has happened in the December, showcase the state growth framework and the vision for 2047. Okay, it has saw the launch of Telangana AI Innovation Hub, and this is going to be a very good policy for the examination point of view. So we, on the basis of this summit only, we are going to have Telangana Next Generation Life Sciences Policy 2026 to 2030. Okay, so what will be there, the certain features of this policy? Obviously, I will be discussing in my next class. Clear? And as you all know that, many of you might know that the India's maximum manufacturing coming from what? China. So CM Revant Reddy sir has already proposed that we want China plus one. We don't want only China. We want other countries where we can do go for what? Manufacturing. So basically, our relation with China are not good. That's the reason the CM Revant Reddy is saying that okay, China is okay, but we also want another important zones where we can have what? Manufacturing. So new economic zones for manufacturing need to be there to become what? A China plus one alternative, which is very good. Whatever the decision or the idea is there, I really subscribe. And Revant Reddy has also said to the investors that sir, we are a global hub. Okay, we are having global capability centers are also there, and India's first city to be operational 24 hours with a focus on nighttime economy on both sides of the Musi River. Old city or new city, we are 24 hours available. Our cities never sleeps. That is very true because I live in Hyderabad. Even at 2 o'clock, also people are roaming out like as it is like afternoon 3 p.m. I was very shocked and very much surprised also that how much this topic traffic is coming actually from where these guys are coming. But literally speaking, the Hyderabad is not sleeping. That is very true. I hope this is all clear to you. Whatever updates will be there with regard to Telangana minister going there in the Davos summit, and I'll bring all of them one by one. Okay, take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Do join my classes, test recent mentorship with regard to Telangana economy, Indian economy, and formation and current affairs for sure because we all always do this.